Senator Jinggoy Estrada dinalaw sa kulungan si Jojo Nones. Sa mga oras na ito ay hindi pa rin nakalalabas ng Senate detention ang isa sa GMA independent contractors na si Jojo Nones pagkatapos siyang i-contempt ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada dahil sa pagsisinungaling daw nito. Nitong isang araw ay naglabasan sa social media ang kuha ni Senator Jinggoy na dinalaw si Jojo Nones sa detention. Nandun din ang legal counsel ng writer-director na si Attorney Maggie Abraham Garduque. Sandaling nakausap ng media si Senator Jinggoy at inamin niyang dinalaw niya si Jojo para sabihin kung ano talaga ang totoong nangyari. Ayaw pa ring aminin ni Nones ang mga statement na inilabas ni Sandro Mulak. Para kay Senator Jinggoy, aminin lang ni Nones ang buong katotohanan, bahala na ang korte sa kanya dahil naisampa na rin naman ang kaso. Pero pinanindigan ng akusado ang kanyang pagtanggi. Sabi ni Attorney Maggie, nag-file na rin sila ng motion to lift order of contempt and release of resource person under detention. Kailangan daw niyang mailabas si Jojo dahil pinaghahandaan niya ang counter affidavit para sa kasong isinampa ni Sandro sa Department of Justice. Pero sabi ni Senator Jinggoy mananatiling nakadetain si Nones hanggang sa umamin ito.
Financial contribution to a charitable institution of Niños Choice, and he declined. And then I was asking him, answerable ba yun? Did you offer any financial assistance to any charitable institution? Ayaw na dinidinay, meron na affidavit. So sinabi rin yun nila.
So for denying that, so sabihin niya sir, nagsinungaling siya kaya kanina?
Lagi siya lang nagsisinungaling. May drugs pa yung call. Dinidinay niya yung nagbigay siya ng 500 peso bill folded like a straw. Tapos pinahikik niya yung bata, pinasingkot niya yung bata. The first time lang yung bata. And there was really sexual abuse. There was really sexual abuse. And they kept on denying it. They kept on denying it.
Sir, bakit kasi Sir yung isa po?
Hindi na magsasalita isa eh. Diba, mga sumunod na rin yan kasi yung tungkol sa sexual abuse, sexual assault. Kasi pag binasa ko lahat, malaswa. That's not for public consumption. Yung talagang ginawa, detalyadong ginawa sa bata.
Pero sir, sa executive session, dinetalye na ni Sandro?
Hindi na, because alam ko na eh. Base sa investigation na ginawa ko. And he confirmed it. Alam ko na eh.
Si Sandro lang detalye, yung sa affidavit.
Ha?
Si Sandro.
Yes. Binasa ko affidavit.
Pero sa executive session, hindi na ninyo.
Hindi na. Kasi binasa ko ng affidavit. Sa t-shirt, pantalon. Usual. Ang problema kasi dito, this has been going on sa movie industry. Not only males, even females. Siguro na 80s, 90s, pero siyempre, lapit ako sa mga higher-ups, sa mga director, sa mga kinaukulan para sumikat ako. Ganun lang. Pati babae, hindi lang lalaki.
Saan mo nakailan yung function?
Depende sa chair yan. Hanggang po sabi siya. Ano wala pa sa lay? You deny?
Yes po, Your Honor, we deny allegations po.
Ano ginawa niyo doon sa bata?
Wala po kaming ginawang masama kay Sandro, Your Honor.
Ano nga ginawa niyo? Doon nandun siya.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Really?
Nagkwentuhan, we
Really?
played music, we socialized, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Anong pinagkwentuhan ninyo? Sige, interesado ako. Ano pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Marami po, like, ang simula po, ang mga napag-usapan po namin sa simula, yung sa gala, nadapa po si Hipon, tapos, and then yung mga after parties, mga ganun po. Napagkwentuhan po namin yung gala, yung mga events na nangyari during the gala, tapos, and then, yan, we were drinking, socializing.
Anong klaseng tawag yun? You were inviting him?
It was just a conversation. Every text, Your Honor, is in response to
ang hirap
another
sa'yo,
text,
ang dami
Your
mo nang
Honor.
dinilit na messages. Hindi lang naman si Sandro ang tinetext mo eh. Ang dami mo pang mga artistang tinetext eh. Baka makachamba ka eh. Oh no, you tell me the truth. we're here to ferret out the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. Okay? Because if you will continue to lie here before this committee, I have no other choice. I have no other alternative but to cite you in contempt.
I'm not lying po, Your Honor.
Did you harass him?
No po, Your
Sexually
Honor.
harassed?
No po, Your Honor.
Really? Huh? Really?
Your Honor, with all due respect, please don't judge us. Hindi pa po kami convicted sa case. The case
No, but
has
you're
just
lying.
been filed po. We are not
I'm
lying
not
po, Your
judging you,
Honor.
you're lying.
We're also just defending our side, Your Honor. It is our constitutional right to defend our right, Your Honor. So we are not being disrespectful at all. We're not lying. We're just...
Okay. What was the action that GMA 7? What was the action of GMA 7 with regard to the complaint of Sandro?
We were sent a notice to explain and a supplemental notice to explain, and then we were put on preventive suspension, Your Honor.
So you're suspended?
Yes, Your
Both
Honor.
of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes po, Your Honor. Wala po kaming kinikita as of now.
Eh dapat nga, hindi lang suspension ng inabot ninyo eh. Dapat expulsion.
Well,
If indeed, these allegations are true. Hindi naman sa... I'm not preempting everything, no? Pero, base sa usap-usapan, base rin sa investigasyon ko, may drugs involved. Okay? Ang tanong, saan mo kinuha ang drugs? Ha? Saan nyo kinuha ang drugs na pinangsinghot nyo rin sa bata? Na wala namang kaalam-alam yung bata. First time niya ginawa na dahil because you lured him to take these drugs. Tana, kabat, ilan taon nito? 23? Ilan taon ka na ba, Sandro?
23 po, Your
Oh.
Honor.
Ngayon lang siya, umaayaw na nga. Pinilit nyo pa. Umaayaw na ngang suminghot. Pinipilit mo pa.
Your Honor, may I po? With all due respect po, Your Honor, kung yung mga ano nyo po, galing lang po kay Sandro as allegations, Your Honor, they are just allegations
Excuse
po,
me.
Your Honor.
Hindi galing kay Sandro. Investigation ko.
Okay
Hindi
po,
ko
Your
naman kilala yan eh. Ang
Pero-
tatay kilala ko. At hindi, I never interviewed his father. I got this from a different source. During the first hearing. Oh. Huwag mo turuan dito. O ano? Mr. Nones, you still deny the allegations? Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor, kasi kaming tatlo lang naman po ang nandun sa room, so wala pong ibang source ng information, Your Honor. Due respect po, Your Honor, nag-explain
Wala
lang
na,
po ako.
nagsisungaling ka na eh. Alam mo,
nagpapaliwanag
Jojo,
lang po ako.
alam mo, hindi kita kilala ha. Kahit matagal na ako sa showbiz, hindi kita kilala. Pero, huwag naman ganun. Ha? We are here trying to know the truth, to ferret out the truth. Eh pag patuloy ka nagsisinungaling dito sa amin, talagang isa-cite ka namin in contempt. Maliwanag na dito sa affidavit. Maliwanag na sinabi ni Sandro. May drugs pa involved. May sexual harassment na involved. Hindi lang nga sexual harassment eh. Assault eh. Dahil pinagsamantalahan nyo yung bata, pinag-take nyo ng drugs, tsaka nyo pinagsamantalahan. That is what do you call this? Drug-induced sexual assault? Tama ba yung sinabi ko, attorney? NBI. Kawawa naman yung bata. Pinag-drugs yun ha, hinalay nyo pa. Sige, continue deny. Continue denying it. Oh,
Mr. Jojo,
Sergeant at Arms,
are you-
Sergeant at Arms to Mr. Chair.
sasagot po ba kayo o
Yan pa rin po ba ang sagot po ninyo?
Yes po, Your Honor. Sumasagot po kami. These are allegations po. At
Opo,
mismo po si Attorney Conales po, sinabi niya po, allegations lang po. And
Allegations lang.
we deny po the allegations, Your Honor.
Po, there is a motion to cite Mr. Jojo Nones in contempt. Without any objection, the motion is approved. So ordered. Meron pong motion para patawan si Jojo Nones ng
Senador
contempt. Dahil wala pong nag-o-object,
Your Honor,
pinapayagan po
please.
ito at pinag-uutos. Sergeant at Arms?
Hindi pwede.
Bring him to the detention cell. Attorney Topacio, you're not only lawyering for Mr. Gerard Santos, am I correct? You're also here as an independent resource person.
Yes,
because
Your
you're
Honor.
handling cases relative to these issues.
Yes, Your Honor.
Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright. Kanina sinabi ko, hindi lang lalaki minumolestya, pati mga babae.
Opo.
Alright, I heard before, during the lull, you were saying that you're handling 2 cases, both female.
Dito na.